Yo, what up, Ree here? Re-up, motherfuck. Re-up, back again with another video. And this one's about numerology. So, numerology goes pretty deep. You can find out so much about yourself. And numerology is connected to astrology. It's connected to tarot. So, it goes really deep. This is taken from the book SEPHARIAL, the KABALA of Numbers. If any of you want to check it out, this is just a small example of how you can use numerology to understand yourself better and others. So we're going to use the tarot, for example. So we have all the tarot cards are numbered. Some of them have numbers on them, like this one. You have the Empress, number 3, but then some of them don't have numbers, which are like, say, example for the Page of Cups. But there are numbers that go with them, and then at the end of that, I'm going to tell you what they all mean, so you can screenshot it in case you don't want to get this book. But here's an example of how you can use it. So we're going to use Napoleon here. So he was emperor in 1804, right, at age 35. If you take the date 1804 plus 35, which is 1839, equals 21, it equals the card in tarot, which is the crown, which is position, power, honor, distinction. So you can see when you add up dates and your age together, it will tell you what's going to be happening on that year. It's crazy. So here's another example. Divorced his wife, I guess, in 1809, age 40. 1809 plus 40, 1849 equals 22. The blind fool. Selfishness, vanity, inconsequence, blindness, detachment. Pretty crazy, right? And the list goes on. So this is how you can you can do this for yourself. Find out an event in your life and see if it corresponds. But it goes way deeper than this. This is just an example, but everything in your life is coded. So this is how you use the occult to understand yourself. And once you understand yourself, you can actually change things in your life. So, because a lot of people tell me that I show them how to do this, and then they're like, but Ree, like, I need to know what the numbers mean. And I'm like, yeah, I guess not everyone's going to pick up the book. So here you go. These are, you can screenshot this if you want to know. These are what all the tarot cards mean from 1 to 3. Okay, screenshot that. Then screenshot this one. Oh, all the way down. There we go. Then screenshot this one. Got it? And then this one. So, okay, so that's what all of them mean. And then hopefully you can find some pretty cool things that are happening in your life. All right, I love y'all, and re-up, motherfuckers. See you in the next video. Easy.